So I got my Subaru Impreza here, and I'm going to be changing both lights, the front marker light and the parking light on each side, so two on each side. So I'm going to show you both sides, and they're going to be slightly different. On one side is going to be the air filter that's going to be in the way, and then the other side is going to be the battery that's in the way. So here in the owner's manual, I'm going to show you number 5 and 6, which is the front marker light and the parking light. And I'll be using these bulbs. So in the owner manual, it says it's bulb 168 W5W. So these are the particular ones I'm going to switch out with the LED lights. And let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to take out these two plastic retainer clips. So you want to pry out the middle of the retainer clip before you pry out the outer circumference. So once you have that pried out, you're going to take out this plastic hood, and taking out this plastic hood exposes you to the air filter here. And in the air filter here, there are basically two screws. The screw at the bottom right there, as well as one to the side. So that one to the side there, you're going to have to take out, which is the one bolt. And right here, that's the one I'm pointing at. You also have to take out the hose, so loosen up the hose and wiggle that out. So once you have that hose wiggled out, you could basically access the half of the air filter. So you're going to remove half of the air filter here. So just shifting everything out of the way and removing half of the front air filter. And once you do that, the two bulbs are actually at the top and bottom, blocked by this support beam. So I'm shining my flashlight there. You could see the first bulb that is at the top. And if I scooch right underneath here, so right underneath here, you'll be able to see the two bulbs. So it's not the one at the center of the screen, it's the two at the top. So you're gonna have to reach your hands up there. It's gonna be very cramped, and you can only probably fit 2 fingers, but it's gonna be just enough to remove it. So you could see this particular one is a non-LED, kind of like an incandescent bulb. So what you really do want to do is actually replace all 4 at the same time, because once one goes, the other one's going to go basically around the same time. They have, basically the same lifetime tolerances. So I'm going to replace that with the LED, and you could see where the flashlight is. So you're going to have to reach your hand underneath and actually feel your way towards it. So that's the bottom one. And right there, you see I replaced the LED, and I'm going to test it out. So I test it out because on this side I still have the battery in place. So because this side is the air filter side, the battery's still in place, and I could actually test it out. And right there, that's where the hole is that I have to reach up. Now for the battery side, I'm going to have to remove the battery. And this is also pretty cramped. You could see the bulb right at that corner there. And it's basically the same process, but just different things blocking. So in this particular case, it is the battery, removing the battery and reaching under. So when I first did this, I did have a defective LED lamp, and I didn't test it by replacing the battery and kind of having a loose connection to the battery and testing it out first. So I had to redo it twice. So you really do want to test these before you actually replace the battery. So I'm able to reach underneath, and once again, it's going to be very, very cramped. Just replacing the LED bulb. And so right now, you can see that, that is once again the side that I'm doing this on. Right there. And, just testing it out here. So there you go. That is really it. I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Good luck with your installation.